Hi guys, this is Inang Reyna. Don't forget to click, like, shares, and subscribes. Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So our holiday riches is 2 pieces, 1 and 2. So I bought 2 pieces for $5 each. $5, so $10. So let's scratch first the 088. You see the 088. So scratch the winning numbers first. Winning numbers are okay. Winning numbers is this one. So next we're going to scratch our numbers. $31, 4, 17, 27, 37, 18, 3, 29, 21, 33, 8, and 32. So we never get anything for this card, guys. So this card we lost. So let's proceed to our next card, the 89. So okay, we need to scratch the numbers here. $23, 26, 31, 22, 21. So this is the winning numbers. So we need to scratch our numbers. So scratch our numbers: 2, 9, 7, 27, 8, 20, 17, 4. Okay, last row, guys. 39, 12, 28, 24. So guys, this is our second ticket, and then those ticket are loser ticket. So don't forget to click, like, subscribes, and share. Better luck next time, Inang Reyna.
Thank you for watching. Until next scratch card.